Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss here about INI-CET exam July 2021 pediatrics paper recall memory based. Let's begin. All statement CMV infection is true. So first option is 20 to 30% CMV infection is symptomatic. So guys, cytomegalovirus infection is symptomatic in only 10% cases. So the first option is rule out. Triad of SNHL, sensorineural hearing loss and calcification and enamel hyperplasia. This triad is not seen in cytomegalovirus. Most children are asymptomatic at birth. Yes, 90% children are asymptomatic and develop SNHL later in life. So this is also a false statement. Yes, they develop, but this is not a correct statement. If mother, but not in later life, they develop soon also. If mother has IgG positive for CMV, child unlikely to develop infection. Yes, this is right statement here, because these mothers are already have CMV infection and they develop IgG antibodies, so they they transmit less infection, or unlikely or less likely we can say CMV infection to the child. So D option is absolutely right here. Now, most common cause of death in child 1 to 4 years of age. Arrange most common to least common. So most common cause of death in 1 to 4 years child, first one cause is pneumonia, second is diarrhea, third is injury, fourth is malaria. So order is same like this. Pneumonia causes most common cause of death in children, then diarrhea, then injury, then malaria. Okay, now child bloatable abdominal mass with history of hematuria resolved after 2 days investigation of choices. Guys, you know what, if you find bloatable abdominal mass in child, so this may be a Wilms tumor. So the best investigation, or if they ask single one investigation, then go with CT abdomen. If they ask more than one answer, then PET is also an option and FNAC is an option, but VMA assessment not required. If you choose single one, then CT abdomen. If choose more than single one, then ABC is the right answer. Okay. Intussusception is complication. Intussusception is complication seen with which vaccine? So this is one-liner direct MCQ. If you know the answer, that means you score marks. If you don't know, that means don't know. So you have to learn such MCQ. This is rotavirus vaccine. Rotavirus causes complication seen with. This is rotavirus, C option. Now, which of the following components of kangaroo mother care? Everybody knows skin to skin contact include, but they give more clues. So exclusive breastfeeding, yes, and early discharge, immediately plan for discharge to prevent further hospital acquired infections. So these are included in kangaroo mother care. Okay, so hope it's clear. Now, pentavalent vaccine is DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza virus vaccine. So all these vaccines are responsible for pentavalent. They are pentavalent vaccines. Now, child with itchy hyperpigmented plaques, exudation seen on elbow and knee flexure. Diagnosis is, so you know guys, cubital fossa and popliteal fossa. The hyperpigmented plaques, itchy plaques are most common finding of which disorder? So they are most common finding of mainly atopic dermatitis. This is a case of atopic dermatitis. And in pediatrics they also ask from children's the best drug, the single drug of for treatment of severe coronavirus treatment or COVID-19 infection. So the best answer is only steroids and steroids. So guys, I hope till here it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. If somebody is new on my channel, subscribe it. And thank you for watching this video. Good day, goodbye.